For this assignment, you're going to complete Haunted Hotels Scavenger Hunt and then also complete the keyboard pumpkin exercise. So let's start with the Haunted Hotels activity. You're going to see that you have a worksheet to complete. You should be able to type your answers into the answer boxes below each question. I do have those set to highlight in yellow, so make sure you merge formatting or merge without formatting to keep that highlighting, or go back and then highlight your answers. You're going to use this website, allstays.com, to find the answers. So let's look at this first question together. What is the name of one of the spirits that keep guest company at the Heldsburg Madrona Manor in CA? Now, it's going to be important that you know your abbreviation for states. So if you're not sure what the abbreviation for a state is, then you may want to look that up. But CA stands for California. So we're going to go to this website, and you're going to see that if you scroll down, you see the United States Haunted Hotels and Inns, and you see these listed by state. So on our question, we see that it's asking for California. So we're going to go over to California, and you're going to see that there are lots of haunted hotels and inns in California. So this one asks about the Heldsburg Madrona Manor. So we're going to look for the Heldsburg Madrona Manor. You're going to find that in the list, and then you can click on it to find the information. So most of the information on these websites is going to be found in this lower left corner, where it tells the story of the hotel or the inn, and what is going on at that place, and that's where you will find your answers. So you have 10 questions over those hotels, and then you have an opinion question to finish that. The second part of this assignment is called the keyboard pumpkin. So you're going to see an instruction page attached, and then you're also going to see a blank Google Doc, which is where you will complete the pumpkin. On the instruction page, you're going to see that it has some very important instructions in 1, 2, and 3. So make sure you go in and do those things on your Google Doc. So I'm going to go back over to this blank Google Doc, which is where you will do your work. And you're going to see that the first step is to open it. We've got it open. The second step is to go to File, Page Setup. So we're going to go to File, Page Setup, and then we're going to, File, Page Setup. And then we're going to follow the instructions that says to change all of the margins to 1 inch. So you'll go in and type in 1.0 for all of the margins, top, bottom, left, and right. Then once you have done that, look at the second step, and it says go to Tools and then Preferences. Go back over to your blank Google Doc, go to Tools, Preferences, and then it says be sure to uncheck the box that says automatically capitalize words. So we're going to uncheck, if it's already checked, uncheck that box that says automatically capitalize words. That's just going to make your life easier. And then once you've done that, go back over to your instruction page and begin creating the pumpkin. So it's going to be a series of letters and spaces that will eventually create the pumpkin. So the first step on number 4 is to strike enter 1 time. I'm going to strike the enter key. It might be helpful to you to split your screen so that you don't have to go back and forth between the two documents. So I'm just going to drag out this tab, and then I'm going to use that minimize button to make it smaller. And then I'm going to drag out my instruction page, and I'm going to use that minimize button to make it smaller. Then I'm going to go back down here to Google Chrome. Oh, geez, I've got a lot open. And I'm going to find my blank keyboard pumpkin, and then I'm going to make those side by side so that it's easier for me to work. All right, so now we have already struck enter 1 time. And now we are ready to type KKKJII. So between the KKK and the JII, you are going to put a space. So I'm going to put KKK space JII. And after each line, you do strike enter. So on line 3, we're going to type JIJ space KKK and strike enter. Then line 4, JIJ space, FFF space, JIJ space, FFF space, JIJ space, FFF, and strike enter. And you're going to continue doing that all the way through to line 17. And then after you've typed line 17, you have some instructions. You're going to highlight the first 3 rows and change the font color. So remember to change the font color. You select what you want to change, and then you're going to go to font or text color and choose whatever color. That first color will be green. And then you're also going to change the rest of the pumpkin to orange. So select what you want, go to font or text color and change it to orange for what it says. And then it says to select everything and make it size 20. So we're going to select everything and make it size 20. We're going to make everything bold. And then you're also going to center line the entire document. Okay, so we're going to choose center align to center align the entire document. So when you're finished, it should look something like this, and you're going to see this on the second page of your instruction sheet. So after you've typed in all of the letters, you're going to go in and change the text color, the font color. Then you're going to go in and make it size 20, bold, center it, and it's going to end up looking something like this, your pumpkin. And once you get that done, then you're ready to turn it in. If you have any questions about this assignment today, email me at smithla@whitehallsd.org.